Alright, let's capture some traffic and see some of the options that are available for capturing the traffic. Let's go to our Wireshark, and here we go. And in the home page, if you see, this is the place where you can see the Wireshark capture that you have saved the last time. If you want, you may open this, going to the location, and you can see them if you need. And this is the place where you will see the list of interfaces. You see, I got a loopback interface, I got an Ethernet interface. You may have much more also. So which one you want to capture? You need to find out the one which you want to capture, which you want to see, and you need to double click on this. I'm going to capture the Ethernet interface. All traffic coming to my Ethernet interface I'm seeing right here. Now I'm seeing too much of information going from and coming to, and a lot of things are going on here. I have TLS, VRRP, ARP, TCP, many traffic. The reason behind these many information, or this much of information, is because of the mode in which the Wireshark works. By default it works in a Promiscuous mode. What is Promiscuous mode? Promiscuous means what? Everything. Eat everything you want. So this Promiscuous, this Wireshark captures everything, not only the packet that comes to this device, to this destination address. It captures the traffic that is coming on the port, whosoever it is delivered to. Accidentally there may be many packets coming in. It is capturing everything. Promiscuous mode captures everything that comes in. You may also have a filter to say the traffic that is coming to my MAC address, the packet that is destined to my MAC address, then that is not a Promiscuous mode. Promiscuous mode means delivered to anyone. If someone sends a broadcast, that will come here. It may be an ARP, it may be a DHCP. So Promiscuous mode versus precise is looking for only a packet that is destined to my MAC address. Promiscuous is just gulping everything and showing you the Wireshark tool, which is right now you see. There is also another way to capture packet. See, there's a small icon here. You can click on that. Capture display. This capture option gives you more information than what you saw earlier. And we got additional information such as the traffic, the layer 2 protocol, whether it is a Promiscuous mode or not, and also you see here the IP address on the interface. This one is the IPv6 link local address, which is attached to this interface. This is the layer 3 IPv4 address, and the buffer size given by default, snap length. So another thing that we have is the output. When you see under the output, we have a capture to the permanent file. You can locate a file to which all the captures will be saved. You can have one of this format like PCAP or the PCAP-NG. The PCAP or PCAP-NG. The PCAP-NG is what the well popular version of format in which the Wiresharks are saved. Wireshark informations are saved, and also you can create a new file. Instead of having one single file, you can create a new file, or you can also say how many number of files. See, you can also say in a ring fashion use 2 files, and and each file need to get updated maybe after 10 megabits. Once the 10 megabit of information is captured and saved in the first file, go to the second file, fill another 10 megabytes, and once the second file is full, it goes to again the first file, so that the hard disk will not be consumed much. And in a round robin fashion, the files are going to be reused. That's what called as a ring buffer. We're going to get into these things in much detail in coming days class. So this is how we have an output. There is also another option called there is another tab called options. So under the option tab we have update list of packets in the real time. We want all the packets to be shown to us in the real time. We do not want to save and load and see. We want real time. Automatically scroll during the live capture. As we are seeing, you will see the pages will jump. And then show capture information during the live capture, yes, and then resolve the MAC addresses. When you have this option, you will see the first 24-bit of the MAC address, which is representing the vendor like Dell or Toshiba. It will show you those names using the MAC address. The Ethereal can also, the Wireshark can resolve and show you in the output. You also have a resolve network name, which will use the DNS responses. Most of the time it's not accurate, but you can also see, instead of an IP address, you will see a DNS resolved name there. You can also see resolve transport. By clicking this resolve transport name, you will be able to see the transport, like the port number. Instead of showing the port number, it will show you HTTP or HTTPS instead of 443. There are multiple ways to see that transport name, but this is also one of the way. By clicking this, you can resolve. And you can also say stop the capture automatically after this many number of packets, this many number of files, or this many number of seconds or hours. So going back to input, now let's click on this start button. So let me go back here and use this method. Okay, a few things I have clicked, that's why it didn't allow me to log in. Anyway, we are back here, and here there are a few more buttons that we need to understand. This is the red one, which is to stop, and this is to restart. You see, we can restart. And then this one we already saw, the capture option, where we went and see input, output, and the option field. So what we have seen here in this video, in this demo, is how to capture a particular interface, the options, and some buttons that we have, like stop button and restart button. So now let's try to start again, continue, and let me restart, continue without saving, and then I would like to ping. Let's ping and see whether the capture is in. Let me go to command prompt and try to ping our DNS. Ping 8.8.8.8. I should be seeing some ICMP packets. The 4 packets are sent here. And now let us go down. Let me type here ICMP. And these are the latest one. You see ping echo request went to 88888, and then the reply has come. For each packet there is a request and reply. Internet Control Messaging Protocol. The destination is 888. Yep. So we have seen how to use the capture option, and we have also seen how to restart, stop and start. And we also see here when I ping, I can see the capture working, showing me the ICMP echo reply and request. See you in the next demo.